Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off autosave in Pokémon Legends. Alright, let's begin. If you are trying to disable autosave in Pokémon Legends, the first thing you should know is how to access the settings menu. While playing the game, press the X button on your controller to open the main menu. From there, press L to open the Help and Settings section. This is where all adjustable options are located. Now, it is important to clarify that Pokémon Legends does not currently offer an option to fully turn off autosave. Autosave is always enabled and cannot be disabled through the settings. However, you can still use manual saving. This is especially useful for players who are shiny hunting. When you hear the shiny sound effect, immediately open the menu and manually save your game. After saving, avoid triggering any actions that could cause another autosave. In the settings menu, you can still adjust other options such as controller rumble, text speed, minimap rotation, camera controls, camera sensitivity, and audio settings. These options help improve gameplay comfort but do not affect autosave behavior. So that's basically how you can turn off autosave in Pokémon Legends. That's it for this video. Thanks.